Let's eat! Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today on the menu, we're going to be making a strawberry cake. So if you're excited for Valentine's Day, then stick around for this video. Alright, so first things first, we're going to grab our bowl, and we're going to need a whisk as well. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to be using a perfectly moist classic white cake from Duncan Hines. If you want to make this from scratch, feel free, but my channel is all about quick, easy, but still delicious sweet treats and meals. So go ahead and put in your powder. Be sure to get any extra lumps out or any clumps out. I did not do that, but it wasn't too bad. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of water. We're going to add in a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And we're going to add in 3 large eggs. I'm following the directions on the back of the box. And we're going to go ahead and just whisk it real good. Now this is in fast motion, but you want to whisk your batter at a medium to low speed, not too fast, just at a medium to slow speed. But this, like I said, this is in fast motion, so I'm not really whisking fast. Alright, next up, we're going to go ahead and add in our strawberries. I chopped up about 1/2 cup to a cup. To make sure that your strawberries do not sink to the bottom if your batter is thin, you want to take about 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of flour and just coat your strawberries. I use 1, so I know I need to use 2 next time because my strawberries still sunk to the bottom. So for this recipe, go ahead and use 2 tablespoons of flour to coat your strawberries. Alright, next up, we're going to get our bundt pan. I'm just loving my bundt pan I got. Go ahead and spray your bundt pan with some spray. This is a nonstick pan, but we want to be extra safe. So go ahead and spray your pan really well. Alright, and go ahead and add in your batter. Now if you want to make your batter not thin, then you can maybe use a little bit less water or more of the powder. It's up to you. Alright, we're going to bake this cake on 350 for about 33 to 36 minutes. Be sure to put a toothpick or knife inside your cake when it's done to see if it is clean, and if it is, then it is done. And voila! Yummy, yummy, yummy. This looks so yummy. As you can tell, the strawberries did sink to the bottom, as I was saying, so be sure to do 2 tablespoons of flour when you coat your strawberries. But nonetheless, it looks beautiful this way. I'm going to go ahead and cut this cake open. It smells delicious, y'all. So delicious. You can make this cake for Valentine's Day, for somebody's birthday, for the summer and springtime, or just because you like cake and strawberries. I put a little food coloring inside of some Cool Whip and just did a dollop on top of the cake. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Enjoy!